Hello, I'm Vince White. I'm an employment attorney, and we are answering questions on avo.com that have been publicly posted, getting people who need answers from an employment attorney the answers they need. Here's the question. I'm suing my employer for sexual harassment. After they are served, I want to quit. If I do quit, am I eligible for unemployment? In the body of the question, it says, the owner of the company I work for has made several inappropriate sexual comments to me. I am in the process of suing them. Life in the office is very awkward nowadays. Okay, so you asked two. Well, you asked one question, but I'm going to give you two answers because there's some important stuff here. So you bring in your sexual harassment case. There's damages associated with that, and some of those damages are your economic damages, and some of those damages are your emotional damages. Now, presumably, you have an attorney. Generally, things work out much, much better if you have an attorney. You need to have a conversation with this attorney, who you clearly trust because you hired them, about the consequences for your case if you resign. It's very important, right? It could change not your ability to win or lose your case, because what happened, right? It's already happened. You resigning doesn't change what happened. However, the way your economic damages and the way your emotional damages are computed could change if you resign. And there's additional arguments that might have to be made. They might not be the best arguments for that attorney. And I don't know the specifics of your situation, but that doesn't matter because it's an easy suggestion here. Whoever she or he is, this attorney you hired, call him up. Say, hey, you work for me. What if I do this? What's it going to mean for me? How's it going to change my rights? How's it going to change what my case is worth? I'm uncomfortable. I don't want to be uncomfortable. What can I do? There's other options, right? You may have leave options. You might be able to activate your family medical leave time or something like that. There's a whole bunch of things you can do if you don't want to be in this workplace, but talk it out with the attorney because you don't want to negatively impact the value of your claims, right? Now, back to the unemployment. I am not that familiar with the standard for unemployment in California. I can tell you, I think it would be very unlikely that you would qualify for unemployment in New York State. And sometimes our laws are similar, but again, presumably you have a California employment attorney who is representing you and who should be thrilled to have a conversation with you about whether or not you're going to qualify for unemployment. Seems doubtful to me, but she or he, the local attorney that you're working with, will know and will be able to tell you definitively, right? We'll let them work for their money. They work for you. Make them earn it. I really hope you win. That owner sounds like a real jerk, and I'm sorry you had to experience those comments. And if this video was helpful, consider giving me the like and the subscribe down below because it helps me help more people just like you. Thank you.